Somebody had an issue. Ryan, no power maybe. Oh no, wrong trip. Good night, your leader, adding 2, Xander 3. We got Michael, Mike, Jackson, TJ, Ron, your order. Victory Knight out in front. Eddie right there in the 2. Xander in the 3. Jared and Xander to look out. Onto the back straightaway they go. Modified coming up next. Jared, under all kinds of pressure, we already know from 4-wheel, he's just fine with the pressure. Your leaders are coming up behind you. Jared out front, Eddie in the 2. Watch the middle, watch the middle. Quarter turn. Oh, is Eddie upside down? Michael Smalley going to go by for the number 3 spot. Jared, your leader, Xander right there behind him. Watch the triple, watch the triple. Smalley giving up 3rd. Eddie back to the 3rd spot. Top 2 through the 180. Through the front rail. Down the quarter table, up and over the double, around the table. Through the roller coaster, down the straightaway. Eddie putting the fastest lap of the race, trying to get caught in the lose. Oh, downside captain. And we got a new leader. It looks like Xander's out front. Jared to the 2.1 back. So Jared, problems on that lap. Looks like the leader spins out. Here's Jared to the outside. Trying to cross him over. Couldn't quite do it. Little mistake from Xander. Xander a little over his head driving right there. Trying to stay with it. Over the triple they go, into the start-finish line. Jared has had some amazing races today. Battle in 4th position. 35 seconds to go. It's up front, that's where the battle is. Eddie is quietly closing in. Jared upside down. Eddie right there now. The battle for 2nd. 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go up front. White flag out for Michael Smalley. Over the start finish line goes your leader. Jared and Eddie, the battle for 2nd. This is going to be it. Finish the lap you are on. Garrett versus Eddie down the straightaway. Your winner across the line. Oh, they get together. Eddie's going to give it back. Even though he's worked about it. To the line. Second and third right there. One more to finish. And that is a parade. Your winner, Daniel Ingerson, Jarrett 2, Eddie 3. And we got Michael Jackson, TJ, Mike, Ron, Ryan, Andy, and Cody.